Let's see how to enable comments on your Wix blog. So, first we're going to go to our blog page right here, to my blog. And we click Manage Post. It will then lead to the dashboard. After that, we go to the comments right here. You press this. And here in More Actions, click this, then Comment Settings. We just need to tap this comments right here. You can also add some ratings for readers to add a star rating when they leave a comment if you'd like. You can have it members only or for everyone who can comment to your blog. Then save if you're done. After that, when we go and check the post, it's gonna leave a comment right here. And when we preview, everyone can comment in here through your publish site. And that's it. That's how to enable comments on your Wix blog. See you soon.